Hello everybody, how are you all? This is Protection here today. Hope that you have been great by the mercy of God. I am also well by the mercy of God. Now you can see I am present in the paddy field. Yesterday at night I came to my sister's house. Now I am making a video content for you. I am having a lot of fun with my sweet niece. Nandini, দেখো এদিক দেখো. These are my sweet niece. These all are my sweet niece. মা তোমার নাম কি বলো?
My name is Nandini.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Mohan Babu Sen.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Lota Sen.
Lota Sen. Good. What is your village name?
My village name is Araji Jhangipukur.
Oh, nice. What is your school's name?
My school name is 124 No Araji Jhangipukur Government Primary School.
Good. What class do you read in? তুমি কোন ক্লাসে পড়ো?
I am in class 4.
কাম তিশা তুমিও আসো. তিশা আসো. What's your name, Tisha?
My name is Tisha.
Oh, what's your father's name?
My father's name Tiren Sen.
Tiren Sen. You can see my another sweet niece. মা এদিকে আসো তো. তোমার নাম কি বলো? মৃত্তিকা. মৃত্তিকা. Nice. So friends, you see that I am having a lot of fun with my sweet niece coming here, and I am making a video content in this time. You can see that there are many green and green as far as I can see and around me. There are different kind of farming here. You can see that corn, mustard and wheat, paddy are mostly grown here. You can see that recently there are many paddy planting here. After few days all the paddy field cover with green. So friends, if we water the plants regularly and give them urea, potash and remove around the grass, so it will work and it will be green covered with green in a few days. So friends, now I am making video content coming here. This place name is Gorea. It is called a Gorea and it is 15 kilometers in the east far from Thakurgan. There is a big ISKCON temple in this locality. 1 kilometer in the north far from here. এখান থেকে প্রায় 1 কিলোমিটার দূরে এখানে একটা বড় ইসকন মন্দির আছে. One day I will go there and going there I will make a video content and I will show you its beauty and nature and meet with you my Lord Krishna, okay? And we will try to speak them their devotees who are appointed to our Lord Krishna, okay? So friends, if you like my video, tell me in the comments, and if you want to my video content more and more, so follow my page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So friends, thank you. ধন্যবাদ. মা ধন্যবাদ দাও বলো. Thank you. মা ধন্যবাদ বলো তো. এদিকে Thank you. তিশা তুমি বলো. Okay friends, thank you.